What's going on, guys? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and in this video I'm going to talk about Bngo stock or Bionano Genomics. I haven't talked about this one in a while. I want to show you a couple of key points on the chart, then we're going to look over some stats, and we're also going to look at some recent news regarding Bionano. Now first off, if you don't mind hitting the like and subscribe and the notification bell, I definitely appreciate you guys, and let's check out the chart. Now I am very zoomed out because I want to show you guys that we're hovering here at this 130 area right now. And even when we dipped as low as about $1.10, we still held this previous peak as a support. I think that's something interesting to take note. Now, you'll see this just extremely crazy run. Of course, that's not sustainable. But what was Bionano able to accomplish during this time? They were able to dilute at an insane valuation. So in my eyes, the company at this current price is a better company than the company back here at this price, than the company back here at this price, than the company back here at this price. Bionano Genomics as a company has a better cash balance due to what the stock went through. I'm gonna show you a couple more bullish things on Bionano in a second, completely unrelated to the chart. Now I'm on the 30-minute of the 3-month, and you'll see here that we did not break our May 11th, May 12th max fear day. A lot of stocks have broken that point, such as CleanSpark, I believe Indie did as well, a few others. But looking at Bionano Genomics, it held this level, and it almost went all the way up to $2 after that. Now we came back down, but we established support at about $1.30, and we are just about there now. We had a pretty rough week. So if we do have a good week for Bionano Genomics, just a good week for the market overall, very likely we start pushing farther, break $1.50, hopefully start holding that as a support. There are definitely a few points that touch there and try to bounce. I could definitely see $1.50 being a next future support level. That is, of course, if we have a decent week and start turning back around, don't break this previous low. But you'll see back here that this thing just loves to break out of patterns. And you'll see here this upward channel, broke the pattern, continued down, upward channel, broke the pattern, broke this pennant, turned down, broke this upward channel. So once we break from this downward channel, break to the upside, it's very likely we push a little further. Those technical traders will see this pattern play out and will likely pile in as well. And even more so if we can break $1.62, a previous resistance point. Now I'm pretty confident in Bionano that they will weather the storm if we get in an extended recession. They have about $216 million on their balance sheet. Only $11 million in debt. However, looking at their price to sales, their EV to revenue is pretty atrocious. But you need to remember, this is a growth stock and that revenue is increasing. You'll see that year over year we are increasing in revenue. However, the last quarter we did finally see a little bit of a decline. But we're only talking about a $600,000 decline quarter over quarter. Whereas we have about a $2 million increase year over year. So while we are slumping a little bit short term, long term the trend is the same and we are steadily increasing that revenue. So next quarter, probably coming out sometime in August I would expect, I really want to see over that 5.7 million. And better yet, I'd love to see over 6.3 million in revenue to signify that we broke the last 2 quarters and got back to an uptrend. And here's a great question you got to ask yourself. If this company is worried about closing down, is worried potentially about the recession, then why the heck are they hiring right now? And also, I gotta mention the 2 P's, participation and patents. Bionano Genomics is constantly participating in different conferences, trying to get their product known. That's a lot of the problem here, is that people just don't even know what the product is. But they go to these conferences, feature their OGM or optical genome mapping device across a broad range of clinical research applications. And also it seems like they're always out there creating new patents. The last one for analysis of small nucleic acid fragments in nanochannel arrays. I'm no scientist, I'm not sure what that means, but let me know in the comments below if you're a scientist and if you have some information on that. But that's basically it for you guys. What do you think about Bngo stock? Do you think it's going to break that May 11th low, that $1.10 or so? Or do you think we're going to steadily create higher lows and continue to the upside? Obviously it depends on where the overall market goes, but let me know down below what you think of Bionano. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and take it easy.